Hi, everyone. I hope you had a really good weekend. Brings us to week number 7. For week number 7, a couple things to consider. Firstly, print or save the weekly slide doc. And then you want to get into some of the other activities for this week. If you pop into the folder, you'll find there's an interprofessional assignment. Here, all I wanted you to do is to look at the scopes of practice for regulated healthcare professions other than massage therapy, and think about how you might consider working alongside those particular professions. There's also 2 videos I will be loading up into this folder. They're short videos, but to tell the story of Spencer, both a positive and negative experience he had with respect to working with a interprofessional team. And lastly, you want to actually go on to the discussion board. The discussion board this time around includes reading weeks, so there are 3 weeks that you can take part in discussions. The discussions this time around are open discussions. So here, concept is quite simple. Just identify a trend or an issue in the profession. And I provide you a number of different ways you might do that. You can talk to senior students or faculty or your peers. You can look at the news section of the College of Massage Therapists of Ontario, or look at the Registered Massage Therapist Association of Ontario's Facebook page. Of course, there's other ways you can do it, but once you have a trend or issue, send me a post and I will open up a thread to start the conversation. That's it for now, and I will see you online.